Okay, we have here
Ay!
attempt Laguna, 2 points. Second to shoot. Attempt Larido, wala nako ni Clavete.
Pero live-in na sila yan. Live-in sila ni Mika.
Ni Bunhayag to Mata. Mata nagmamadali. No good na kuha ni Bunhayag to Mason. Wala na kuha ni Bunhayag again. 2 points by Bunhayag. 15-14, isa lamang. Okay, we have Serino to Laguna. Laguna challenge by Claredo, 15 seconds to shoot. Gabukayan attempt.
Nice.
Points by Gabukayan. 17-15 lamang ng dalawa ang NHA Saint.
Jan.
15 seconds to shoot. Attempt. 3 points Claredo. 18-17. Para match game. About isa ang Team Bobs. 15 seconds to shoot. Clavete at free jump shot, 2 points. Clavete. 19-18. Okay, there's the calls. 69, Gabukayan. First is an foul. First team foul. 15-second shot clock.
No!
Attempt. Wala. Okay, there's a foul. Jersey number 11, Clavete. Second personal foul, second team foul. Wearing jersey number 24, Mason. No good for the first throw. For the last throw, Mr. Mason. Okay. 1 point only. 19 all. Okay, Laguna to Gabukayan. Gabukayan and foul jersey number 6, Mata. Mata sa foul. First team foul. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Okay, there's a call. 23. Backhand. First is a foul, second team foul. 4 minutes and 37 seconds.
Dua pa man. Aya ila.
10 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 points Clavete. 21-19. Lamang ng dalawa ang team NHA. 15 seconds to shoot for 3 Claredo. Laguna ginawa ng kontrag-iit sa 4-2. Abigilo, pagin nakuha ni Rojo. To Mr. Sereno, nakuha ni Kuan, Jesus. Uno, 19. Substitution rin. Okay, Claredo. 14 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points, Mason. 21 all. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Laguna. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Clavete. 5 seconds to shoot. Attempt. Three minutes. Score 21 all. Claredo, 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points Claredo. Ay, yun. Isa yung pag-ibutang nasa point. Okay. 14 seconds to shoot, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 2 points Rojo. Okay, 2 minutes and 30 seconds, 15 seconds to shoot.
Yay!
Tsada na mag-picture tayo na itong gamitin. Lagi, picture sa mga player. Naka-iPhone akong kauban do. Grabe kayo. New iPhone. 2 points, Rojo. Tanga. Rojo. Oh, Rojo. Scored on 25 all. 25 all. One minute and 50 seconds. 2 points. Time out rep. Remaining time 1 minute and 44 seconds. The president of the NHA, City NHA, subdivision, Region USA. 1 minute and 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Agoy, nakuha ni Labet. Ano to? Mushroom, wala. Si Bobby. Okay, same ball position. Substitution na. Foul, jersey number 77. 77 daw. Pipito. First is na foul. 14 foul. Warning 14 penalty. Ano ba din sa ito? Attack. 2 points by Bukaya.
Waan daw. Nagpapadanas pa nagtakyanan mo siya.
Okay, we have here Mashon. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul, jersey number 77. Pipito, second is na foul. Penalty situation left. Penalty. 1 minute and 6
Oo,
seconds.
nakainit ang suludan. Mas init ang suludan na kasi sa gawas.
Thank you, J.R. Pagyan, sa pag-aaral sa inyo.
Let's go, Titan!
Ayoko, rubili nga si akong video. Hawa.
Okay, 2 points. 27-29, sakto na. Seconds to play. 7-7 again. 3-1. 23, Mr. Bakan. First is na foul, 13 foul. 58 seconds, 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 2 points, Pipito. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 2 points, Mr. Mashon. 59 seconds. Score 29-31 in favor of NHA State. 30 seconds. 2 points, Pipito. 28 seconds. 20 seconds. Wala. No more shot clock. 12 seconds. 5. Time for the second quarter of this game.